Hello, Chef here, and today I'm once again testing this Porsche 301 Turbo knife. Really nice. I've got some prime strip steaks here that are basically trimmed up really lean, ready to go. I'm just going to do a really quick slice to show you just how nice it is to use a knife like this. So it cuts through kind of like butter. I'm just going to do some consistent slices here to show you these. Wow, how nice it is. Go a little quicker here too. The knife is so easy to use, so sharp, so wicked cool. Yeah, I like it. The balance, the feel, everything. Okay, that steak right there is cut perfectly. It's beautiful, super tender. Just wanted to share that with you. Pulls right apart, nothing to it. So that's going to be super tender. Little stir fry action going on. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. If you need to score one of these, keep cooking and have a great day. For the recipe, watch the chef's other video. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool, and this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality.